Oh, they're the disco. They're good making. That's not great. Strike. Strike it. We can anyway. It's one. No, needed does not. You gotta go to not guy. I can think of this. This guy. The race car tire. What's the race? The race car tire. What? Race car tire exhibit. The festival where characters about waking up mine. Listen. Let's go. Road. Whoa. Waking up mine. Let's go. Buzz! What? Right. Okay. Look at this. Robo Pete. Pete, we can go. Robo Pete. Okay, Pete. You can chip. We can get one touch whatever idea. Whatever not friendship. Okay. Hide and seek. Okay, Robo Pete. I read the railroad lesson. Guitars, like a play skill, it did the builder wanted skateboards. Who's the play and not games? Get in my mind. Let's go. One goose, 2 ducks, 3 crows, 4 friends, 5 flowers, 6 feet, 7 berries, 8 eyes, 9 footprints, 10 butterflies. The end. We can let's go. You and I have a map. Let's get it. Great, I have the sunglasses. I dickish not. Oh no, where's button? Let's get race car tire. Gee, that cartoon said a grayer to top. Oh no. Stickers! Quarter! No! Okay, we got it, stick. Moving on instead. Okay, okay. Go, bombs! Okay, we get super. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going sick of that? Sir P, we got it good. So, what? Princess Kelly, I go first. Princess Kelly, Arbor, Serpent King. Show me. Let's get let's race car tire. Let's do Buzz. What? Right. Let's go. Means the over catch. Music. Picking. What? A straw. Picking! You be super quick, right? Super quick, I can't see the ball. Back here. Dude, I don't know what this means. Take it to my mind. Oh god, Rachel Collection. Oh, just get. We can. What's good advice? Oh. Wah! Wah! Duck! Duck is. Go! This guy. Stupid. Wah! Wah! What is that? Ah! Man! This is synchronization. What is it? Race car tire! Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go. Sir P the Brave! Let's go. Ruby! Let's go. Go P go! Let's go. 1, 2, and then. Sir P is brave. Sir P the Brave. Turn. Fight! Hey! Oh. Ah! Let's go. Race car, tire, roll up each turn. Fight! The race car tire. Wicked mystery. The Gold People's turn. Final round. Fight. Oh wow. Ow. Oh wow. Ow. The race car tire. What did it? We're gonna take one. Reaching is dessert. We're going to the challenge. Enough! No, second. He weighs a load because it got us fast. Once did we nothing. But the words though, the studio struck slow, but we can't understand. But you we can. No! Who's got oh, no rhymes. Race car tire. Buzz! What? That in the one. Who's got? Break it time. No! What shall you do? Who's the one? Where's the table? Hey, oh! What shall you do? I can't understand. Race car tire! No way. The important is the scout Oregon or Arnold. A kid to sharks. Nobody again. Let's go. Race and webs. Here's right. No, my God! Let's get it right. Wobble Pete. One history. Scares. Oh my God! What's going on? Headquarters! What? Hey, my God! No! Like, where's the press? What? Frank, you! Hey, partner, hurt me! Here! Ooh! Where's Wait! What's wrong? What is wrong? We can't. Just go! What's wrong? Let's say. Instead, a story, not okay. Listen. And I have reason, no. Fine. When you restart tire. Break it away. Oh, good. Oh, goodness. You're right. You're not right, the kidder. What a kid? Bart! Tight! What's your best friend? Don't be the best. The race car tire! Boo! What's the Ard! What can you What could that I could destroy? It can seahorse. Crab and create the highest search. Yeah. Like on this one, weak. Jump! mile is the pass. Wish could destroy it. Buzz. What? I don't know what right. Don't worry, you're gonna distract. Whoa, cricket. Oh, that is a straight. Oh, let's go. Goose.